Hey everyone, welcome to Project Melanin Beauty. My name is Nicole Webster and I am your host. I created Project Melanin Beauty to empower black women and girls to feel beautiful and confident in their skin and to define beauty by their own standards. In celebration of Black History Month, I'll be featuring 28 beautiful black women releasing one makeover video every day of the month to bring you easy, gorgeous makeup tutorials and a little inspiration as we celebrate the magic in our melanin. Stay tuned to hear what these beautiful ladies have to say about beauty, confidence, and being a black woman. Hey guys, welcome back to another Project Melanin Beauty video. I am with the lovely Dakota, and for her look we're going for a gray and silver smoky eye. To get this look started, I'm going in with some HD liquid foundation. You guys know the drill, and I'm going to blend that out using my Real Techniques beauty sponge. Next, I'm going in with some cream foundation in a lighter shade to conceal and highlight the center of her face. And then you want to blend that out using a sponge, your fingers, or a brush, whatever is most comfortable for you. Okay, so next I'm going in with a damp sponge and I'm going to set her foundation using our dual powder, and this is going to give her a little bit more coverage and even out her skin tone and give her a really nice flawless finish. And onto contouring, I'm going in with the medium palette to contour and chisel out her cheekbones. And then of course you want to highlight the center of the face. Okay, moving on to brows. Dakota has such beautiful, gorgeous, natural brows. All she needed was a little bit of brow mascara and she's good to go. So moving into the eyes, I'm using the Smoky Meadows palette and we're going in with a gray matte shadow, and I'm just applying that all over the lid, and I'm also going to blend it into the crease. On the monolid, I'm going in with a shimmery silver shadow from the palette. And now I'm going to line her eyes using the gel pencil in Black Caviar. I'm also going to bring this pencil down into her waterline. I'm going to smudge a little bit of that gray shadow into the lower lash line. Bring it right around to the inner corner. Alright, lastly for eyes, I am going in with mascara and I'm using Intense Lash Mascara. Moving on to cheeks, I am doing an ombre cheek, so I'm starting off with Mall Cat blush first, and then I'm going to top it off with our blush in Goldfish. So on the lips, I'm keeping it nice and soft and nude, and I'm going in with our lip gloss Embrace.
Holy, I'm somebody's daughter. I like what you did with like the smoky eye. Dark on the top, neutral on the lips. You accentuated my eyebrows. Thank you for that. You know, I have cheekbones. These chubby cheeks. What makes me confident in my own skin? I love the fact that no matter what weather, I always stay the same skin tone, you know? And I honestly I love being black. I find like the way like my parents raised me, I don't know, like they just always told me to be me, no matter if I had a different skin tone, so I've just always been comfortable being black. What I love about being black, I love that, you know, you get the hips, the curves, you know. I like the big lips, you know, you can try on any hairstyle, you get me, crochet. And I love my afro. Even though it bothers me sometimes, I can't manage it. I'm addicted to my hair. You know? What I would tell my 12-year-old self today about beauty is just honestly be yourself. Like when I was 12 years old, I used to want to straighten my hair. I used to use a lot of relaxing products, and I just wanted to change because I used to get bullied a lot. But you know, looking back and now the person that I am, it just made me like stronger and better in my own skin. And it's just like, just be who you are, even if somebody doesn't like you or somebody doesn't understand where you're coming from. Just be yourself. Like, you get you.